Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs, and I am here to help you get those Christmas cards made. This is my next Stamp-A-Stack class for November, and it features the gorgeous stamp set called Snowfront from the 2019 Stampin' Up! Catalog. This class to go will include 5 different designs, 2 of each. So when you're done, you'll have a stack of cards. You'll have 10 cards completed. It also will include a pack of our gorgeous new gold glitter enamel dots and a bolt of the gold shimmer ribbon. Now these two are just specials for November. So I'm going to have to keep an eye on inventory. If for some reason the inventory runs out before the end of my class deadline, I will turn off the class registration. So if you know for sure you want this class, make sure you register ASAP, okay? Okay, so another thing I want to point out is the Snowfront stamp set has no sentiments. So I have also used Itty Bitty Christmas. Isn't that cute? It's got tons of sentiment choices. So when you register for this class, you can either add this on, or you can use sentiments you have at home to add those to your cards, okay? Okay, so let me tell you about the choices for this class. Option 1, you know what, before I tell you the options, let me tell you that if you buy my Cup of Christmas Treats class to go, you can purchase this class to go and it will ship for free with that class, okay? So make sure that you check both classes out. If you want them both, you're actually going to save shipping. You guys always ask me if we can combine classes, and I don't always do it, but in November we can. So make sure, look for that option on the registration chart. Number 1, option 1 is all 10 cards, the pack of gold enamel dots, the bolt of ribbon, and the Snowfront stamp set. When you get option 1, you are getting the bolt of ribbon for free. That is $63. It ships priority mail. That includes insurance and tracking, okay? Now, option 2 is for those of you that already have the Snowfront stamp set. You don't need me to send it to you. You'll get all 10 make and takes. By the way, of course, you're going to get your envelopes in these kits too. You can't have Christmas cards without envelopes. All 10 card supply kits. You'll get the bolt of ribbon, the enamel dots, and the PDF. Every option includes that step-by-step PDF tutorial showing you how to make each card. Option 3 is PDF only. If you don't want me to send you anything in the mail, that is your option 3, and that is an instant download in my PDF store. Once you pay for it, the website emails you the PDF. If for some reason it doesn't show up within about 10 minutes, check your spam folder, then let me know and I'll be happy to resend it to you. Option 4 is for my downline, my Sweet Stampede team. They get all 10 make and takes for just $15. It's one of those perks of joining my team. Now, there are some add-ons for this class I want to tell you about. First of all, if you want to add on the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set, you can add that on. It is $22, and I'm going to pay the shipping and tax if you add it to your class kit, okay? You can add it to that Cup of Christmas Treats class for free shipping. And let's see, I think that's all I needed to tell you. Oh, you know what else you can add on? Gold embossing powder and snow puff paint if you don't have that yet. We use both a little bit on these cards, okay? So look for those options when you register. Now, I can't list the direct link to my registration page on social media or my blog. You'll have to email me. Click on the link here in the description of the video. It takes you to my blog, and at the bottom, there's a link that says email me for registration link. Just let me know and I will shoot that link right over to you. The deadline for this is November 18th. I am cutting this class, the Cup of Christmas class, and my retreat to go kits all that week. So it's going to be a big job, but I have every intention on having these out in the mail to you no later than November 26th. In my mind, I'm shooting for November 25th, but I'm giving myself 24 more hours and telling you guaranteed by November 26th. Okay, I think that's it, you guys. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have questions, and of course, Merry Christmas. Bye, everybody.